Hello world. So what's on the menu? Well, a little hike in this wondrous place that you can see, and then a jeep ride all the way down to the road and then on to where we're staying, where I can jump on my trusted steed and carry on with my journey on two wheels. I hope you enjoy, and if you like, please do consider subscribing, as new YouTubers like me need all the subscriptions we can get. And one last thing, throw a comment out there. I promise to return all comments with a response that's suitable. Anyway, like I said, enjoy.
Sometimes it's about creating a shot. I'm a novice, so the shots I create aren't so great, but I'll keep trying. Up into the sky we go. Up, up, up and away.
Resist and rest assured, I'll bring you down. I'll make you wish you'd never been born. I'll make you wish you'd never been born. And all of this will turn to rest. I am not afraid of you. You will not slow me down or stop me now. The hand of God won't be refused. Resist and rest assured, I'll bring you down. I'll make you wish you'd never.
The local farmers here crop, or grow rather, peas and potatoes, and they live off this. And the land they have is minuscule compared to farmers, say, in the West. But the name of the game here is survival, and they do survive. God bless them.
Path is tough. Jeeps are tougher, and the locals are tougher even still.
Resist and rest assured, I'll bring you down. I'll make you wish you'd never been born. I'll make you wish you'd never been I am not afraid of you. You will not slow me down or stop me now. The hand of God won't be refused. Resist and rest assured, I'll bring you down. I'll make you wish you'd never been born. I'll make you wish you'd never been born. All of this will turn to rest. Just as I am not afraid of you. You will not slow me down or stop me now. The hand of God won't be refused. Resist and rest assured, I'll bring you down. I'll make you wish you'd never been born. I'll make you wish you'd never been born.
now it's time to introduce you to my two-wheeled steed. So I've done a hike, we've done the Jeep, and now it's time to hit the road with this little baby. It's a Tekken 250, not to be confused with a 250cc motorbike, because it's actually only 225, but it's a wonderful bike and it's taken me everywhere. Time to hit the road.
There was a time some 32 years ago I came to this area and there was no traffic. There was a single road and you were king of the road basically, because you basically were the only person traveling. Very, very few. And I'm glad I've done that, because it had a great effect on me and it made me become the traveler that I am. But I'm also happy that lots of people are traveling now, because let's be honest, anything worth seeing, anything of outstanding natural beauty should be shared with everyone. Of course, one should follow certain decorum guidelines and not litter, which I think in this particular country, Pakistan, too many people litter, and they're making something which is absolutely gorgeous look a little messy and tatty. And it doesn't take much effort to hold on to your litter and take it to a bin or dispose of it when you get home. But having said that, it is a beautiful country, and I would recommend anybody who has the spirit of a traveler in them to come and visit. So the journey so far, unfortunately, there is only one road that goes further into the mountains up north, and that's the road well known as the Karakoram range. But there's parts of the Karakoram range which are dirt roads, so not rock based but dirt based, and when it rains there's often landsliding, and I think this time is no different. And there's been basically 8 different places where the land has slid, and they've been working on clearing that landslide for the last 2 days. After we contacted the military post near the landslide, they've told us that it's still closed and they're still working on opening it, which means potentially the journey may have to take a U-turn or a different final destination until that landslide is cleared. So for now we're heading to Naran, another wonderful place in the mountains, and then on to Batakundi, which we have accommodation in. We may go further along and then come back to Batakundi, so we'll see how that plays out. But the point is, when you ride as an adventure rider, part of the fun is the unknown, and you can't prepare for the unknown. You can try, and that's all we can do. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if we get to Minimarg and Skardu. I think I will be able to, but my traveling companions may not, because they are limited by an itinerary, and obviously work is beckoning them back. So yeah, we'll just see what happens. Anyway, for now, just enjoy the view. I hope the camera's positioned well. I did make the mistake of not checking the positioning of the camera last time, and I think the shots weren't as good as they could have been. But I have checked, and hopefully if the camera doesn't move from its set position, the picture should be good. Right, yo. let you enjoy the view for a little while, and then I'll switch off to conserve a little battery.
So it was a difficult journey, but where I wanted to go I couldn't because of the landslides. But that wasn't too bad because I always plan a fluid journey, and because the people I travelled with, two brothers that were in a car, they went on and did their own thing. In fact, they went on and went home, but I carried on riding, and through the rain, through some rough terrain, which I will share with you in the next video, I did my journey. I did my thousands upon thousands of kilometers. I enjoyed my ride. My steed didn't let me down. We had a few hiccups on the way, but that's normal. And a few hiccups is better than a really serious hiccup or a serious disaster. So, all in all, loved the trip. And so what I'm going to say now is, please, 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 if you do like this video, subscribe. Because I'm a new YouTuber and I need as many subscriptions as I can get. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Ride safe, be safe, and remember, don't forget to smile, because that's a gift.